My name is Brady Stager and I will be demonstrating how to tighten a motorcycle chain. It's very unsafe to have a loose chain on a motorcycle. The chain could come off the sprocket and bind up the wheel, causing the back tire to skid and you to lose control. The chain has to be tightened evenly between both the left and the right side of the wheel. If one side is tighter, the bike will turn to one side more often when you're driving, and that could cause accidents and is dangerous. The chain slack should be between 0.8 and 1.2 inches. I'll be measuring that with a tape measure. Take it, get as close as possible to the chain, right, like in the middle. You push down, measure the top part of the top line of the chain, so it's 10, and you push it up, and it's 11.5, so it's like 1.5 inches of slack. I would like to get it to roughly 1 inch. The first step is to loosen the axle nut, which is this big nut right here, as another one on the other side. You have to have 2 wrenches when you're rotating it, or loosening it, else that wheel will just spin. So just loosen it a couple turns or something. Okay. Then the next step is to loosen the locking nut, which is this nut right here. When you're loosening it, try not to let the whole bolt twist, else that'll screw you up when you're adjusting it. So like, hold it in place. Just loosen that up a couple turns or something. Make sure this back nut didn't twist at all. Then do the same thing on the other side. Loosen it up a couple turns without rotating the back nut. And time to actually adjusting it. Alright. To adjusting, you'll be twisting this back nut. Righty tighty, right tightens the chain, lefty loosey loosens the chain. And you gotta make sure to remember how many turns you do it. So like every quarter turn or something, measure the chain tension again, see if you're done adjusting. Half turn. Then you can measure your chain again if you think you adjusted it enough. Okay, it moved about a little less than a 1/4 inch. So I'm going to do another half turn on both sides. I did half turn on both sides. I'm going to measure it again. We're pretty close. I'm going to give her maybe one more 1/4 turn and then I think it'll be good. Now, we'll give her 2 1/4 turns. Measure it again. Push it down, mark the top, 10 inches. Push it up, 11. Yeah, so it's pretty much exactly 1 inch. Then what you're going to do, that's 1 inch is what I was looking for. You're going to tighten the jam nut, that's what it's called, I think. Tighten the jam nut so this doesn't turn. And hold this back nut too. Tighten that pretty good. Same thing on the other side. Once those are tight enough, you can go ahead and tighten your axle nut back up. Proper way to tighten this would probably be with a torque wrench and get the correct foot-pounds of torque, but I do not own a foot torque wrench or whatever, so I'm just going to do it by hand. Make sure to have your other wrench on the back side, else the wheel will rotate. Might be a little too tight, I don't know. Once that's tight enough, then you're done. Maybe spin the tire, look if it's going straight. and then you're done.